What's up, everybody? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another informative video. This was a requested video: how to use iMessage, or can you use iMessage Unlimited with Textnow's free talking text plan? And the answer is, truthfully, yes, you can. And um, and the thing is, you can't send like pictures or nothing like that, but you can send pictures through TextNow application, and you will technically need to keep your TextNow application on your iPhone. Um, so you can keep the phone for free, phone service for free up and running, and that way you can keep the iMessage unlimited. All right, so what you want to do is to make sure the iMessage is turned on and working. You want to go through your settings. All right, so this is the main settings of the iPhone. If you all know, this is the main settings. And you want to go through messages. Okay, as you can see, I'm getting notifications and everything. And I will prove to you that I'm not on the talking, I am on the talking text plan. But so you want to make sure the green tab is on the green tab. When you turn it off, iMessage can be sent between iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, and Mac. Sending or receiving iMessages uses wireless data, but we don't have data. Okay, we don't have data on this plan. So as you can see, I turned it back on, send and receive. All right, so you tap on this, and it's going to show you all the numbers and everything like that. But this is not like my actual phone number. Um, that is what they call a provision phone number. So even if you try to make a call, you try to, spam me with text messages, I wouldn't get them. Okay. The message I would get, let me show you. The message I would get is right here. It says you are not allowed to send text messages via here, but I am able to use iMessage. Okay, so since I messed it up, I need to turn on the Wi-Fi again. So hold on. Let me turn the Wi-Fi back on. I just demonstrated without Wi-Fi. All right, so it's probably going to kick back in, but make sure that's on, and then all your emails and stuff will pop, okay? So you can share name, a photo. You can do all that. Yeah, that's really it. Make sure the iMessage tab button is turned on in your messages settings. So once again, you go through your main settings of your iPhone. You go through here. You go down. You go through messages. Make sure that green tab is turned on. Select the email or phone number that you want to receive the messages from, and you're good to go. And just tell somebody, hey, send you an iMessage for free. And I got the iOS 14 going on, so for free, as you can see. There we go. So yeah, but you will need the TextNow application, and I'm just going to show you guys that, as you can see, I'm getting ads. I do need to add data for unlimited data, or just to use other applications that need cellular data. Now, once again, I try to tell people this all the time. Not all your apps need data. Hangouts don't need data. Your TextNow app don't need data. Your iMessage don't need data. All right, just to make messages, text messages, that's it. Okay. And Google Assistance app works. The Google app works. So, your clock app doesn't need data. Your calculator app doesn't need data. You know what I'm saying? It don't need data. All right, just let y'all know. Okay, so the only thing need data is you trying to stream Netflix or YouTube. That's it. That's really it. Other than that, you can iMessage Unlimited for free. So I hope this helps everyone on iPhones that want to switch to text now, or want to at least test out the plan. But you must have a Sprint. You must have a Sprint cell phone. I'm sorry. You must have a Sprint phone. So your phone has to run on Sprint, as you can see in the corner. If it doesn't run on Sprint, you can't get the service. So the other service you can get is Freedom Pop, and we don't want to go into that conversation. But that's how you do it. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Was I very informative? Any more questions you have, let me know. And no, you can't use FaceTime unless you're on Wi-Fi. If you're on Wi-Fi, you can use FaceTime, but you can receive incoming calls on any messaging app. But you can't answer. The only ones you can answer on is Text Now on your iPhone. That's it. Other than that, everything else you got a message, like Google Hangouts, Google Voice, Textnow app, and iMessage. You can unlimited on this phone plan. I'm just letting y'all know. If y'all want me to demonstrate that, leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.